This is the 2001 Toyota Corolla Spacio. It comes with 12,768 miles. It comes with a reliable 1.5 liter engine with an automatic transmission. It does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. As you can see, the lights do go away. The number that you're looking at the bottom, 20,550, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 12,768. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors, LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com or give us a call at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any of y'all's questions. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. We truly appreciate each and every one of y'all. I do pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.